Hit. Head free, airways clear. Suffocation is the main reason why people die in avalanche accidents. We must, as fast as possible, if possible in the first quarter of an hour, ensure breathing is stable or to restore breathing. In this time frame, the first 15 minutes,
liegt die Überlebenschance.
the chance of survival for those buried who survived the avalanche is approximately 90%. Head free, airways clear. Everything is focused on this goal.
Ziel fokussiert.
By first contact with the body, we try, when possible,
Hallo! Hallo, könnt ihr mich hören?
to follow the body to the mouth and to continue to dig out the head. When directly working with the head, we use our hands to free the face from snow. We check consciousness by speaking loudly. Dominic, can you hear me?
Hallo!
Hello, he is conscious.
Ist der Verschüttete ansprechbar?
When the buried person is responsive, we dig them out completely, and their avalanche transceiver is turned off completely to make the search for further avalanche victims easier. Now it's a matter to prevent further hypothermia. Cooling down is more dangerous in the wind than in the snow.
So, kannst du dich bewegen ein bisschen?
So we stay in the dugout hole and create insulation with a space blanket and a bivouac bag.
Kannst du dir ein bisschen helfen? Ja, aber
Sonst hat er nichts weh. Ja, ist okay. Da. Ist alles okay. Da, Becken auch. Ja, Arm.
And be careful. When a completely buried victim skis down by himself,
Weil sich fit und
while
unverletzt
he feels fit and not injured, they should anyway, as soon as possible, get checked out medically.
checken lassen.
Treffer!
Hit.
Dominik! Dominik, hörst du mich?
Can you hear me?
Dominik!
If they are unconscious,
Dominik!
we must find out if they are breathing.
Okay, gerade Bewusstsein.
Okay, no consciousness,
Rausholen.
so we turn the head to the side, open the mouth but without overextending the head,
Atemwege sind frei.
and check if the airways are clear. If the mouth and throat are blocked with snow, we clear them. Now we extend the neck and hold the lower jaw. With our cheek and ear close to the victim's mouth and simultaneously observing the chest and stomach. We check for around 10 seconds whether he is breathing.
Atmung ist vorhanden. Atmung hat er.
Breathing is present. He is breathing.
Dann schauen wir, dass wir ganz rausbringen, oder?
Mal rausbringen.
Okay.
After digging out the unconscious victim completely, we put them in the recovery position, protect them from cooling down further, and with constant observation. The head always remains overextended.
Atmung ist nur da. Okay, Atmung ist nur da. Super.
Dominik! Es ist ein Bewusstsein. Kein Bewusstsein!
No consciousness.
Jetzt muss das gehört.
Atemwege sind frei!
Airways are
Abschläge
clear.
Freigas.
Dass wir die, okay. Schauen wir, dass wir hinten bei die Füße noch frei bringen.
Ja.
Und da, dass wir ihn rausbringen. Geht's für dich, Domin?
Ja.
Keine Atmung vorhanden.
No breathing present.
Keine Atmung.
Not breathing. If no breathing detected, then we start straight away with 5 breaths. Ventilation means that the head remains stretched out and the lower jaw remains raised. Then, close the nose, completely enclose the mouth of the buried person with your lips, and breathe in your own rhythm.
Hier, komm raus.
Strength and volume as with a normal exhalation. If spontaneous breathing starts again, we treat the affected person as if they were unconscious.
Warte mal.
Okay. Geht's?
Okay, super.
If the respiratory arrest persists, we begin CPR. As soon as the spatial situation allows, and we have created a reasonably firm surface, for example, by firmly tramping down the
4,
snow.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30.
For the first responders, CPR means cardiac massage and ventilation in a ratio of 30 to 2.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30.
As long as it takes for the victim to start breathing, or the emergency doctor arrives. To perform cardiac massage, we place the heel of one hand in the middle of the chest
8, 9, 30.
Setzen den zweiten Handballen da.
and place the second heel on top of it. With arms stretched out, press the chest firmly and quickly, about 100 times a minute,
5, 6, 7, 8,
compressing
9,
the
30.
chest 5 to 6 centimeters deep. Then, 2 ventilation sessions are performed. Resuscitation of a victim buried in an avalanche only makes sense in combination with ventilation. We are faced with the emergency of suffocation with cardiac arrest due to a lack of oxygen. And if we use cardiac massage to get the blood flowing again, it can only save lives if the blood also transports
5,
oxygen.
6, 7, 8, 9, 30.
Cardiopulmonary resuscitation in an avalanche zone is extremely strenuous. Ideally, there are 3 rescuers available,
5, 6,
with one taking on the role of ventilator and the others taking turns to compress.
Zeit ist Leben.
Time is life. Only the combination of functional emergency equipment, rapid rescue, and effective first aid
Kann Leben retten.
can save lives. Regular practice of the entire rescue process creates these conditions.
9, 30.
There is a risk of infection when ventilating.
Die Entscheidung
The decision for or against mouth-to-mouth resuscitation must be made independently by each individual.
selbstständig treffen.